received a gift from our farm, from my farm, and this is actually real, and I'm not faking it. And but first we're gonna um tie my hair again. So let's go. So guys, and this is from Lyra. Guys, parang ibig sabihin ko guys, ganito ba ito spelling ng Laila? Guys, kasi baka iba yung pangalan niya, pero guys, ito siya guys, Laila. And safe naman siya guys sa ulit sa kids. Di ko muna ipapakita yung mukha ko. And this is from Laila to Alea. My name is Alea. And let's get the scissor. Okay. Guys, malaki siya guys. Ibig sabihin nito, pag malaki siya, ibig sabihin is marami yung kasi dito sa amin, pag malaki yung box, ibig sabihin marami yung laman. Ako muna makikita. Oh! Meron pa siyang paletters. Hi po, I'm a fan and I love it. I love you too. Thank you for giving me this, guys. And ito muna yung first pouch. So guys, nakita niyo ba ito? Yung first pouch, parang sa kanya pa to ata, guys. Thank you, Laila. Guys, ito yung highlighter na glitter. Bagay siya guys sa aking nail kasi my nail is white. So, next, we have a promo card. Para sa pang-gay ata to guys. Pero di ako gay. Because I'm a girl. Mamaya na natin ito unbox next muna. The beanie. Yan guys. Parang official ata to. Hindi. Hindi to guys official. Wait lang. Ayasin ko muna. Baka baliktad. We got Beanie Colette, Beanie Joanna, all of the members of Beanie, Maloy, Joanna, Aya, all of the members of Beanie, and all of the members of Beanie, and Maloy, Sheena, Mika. Yan guys. Yan. I-type muna natin siya guys. So, shit. I don't know. Nagbibigay nyo to sa akin guys. Guys, sorry lang guys na pindot yun. Parang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 guys yung binigay niya sa akin. Sa 2, 3. 12 siya guys. I don't know guys, na 12 pala yung bibigay niya. So, thank you Laila. Next is this the pouch. Guys, parang bago pa lang to guys. Parang bago pa lang to. I love this pouch. Because it's clear. Next, this logo card. Bibenta ko to guys. Joke. Didesign ko to guys dun sa aking desk. Tignan nyo yung desk ko. Ang dumi guys. gay? I'm not a gay because I'm girl. Thank you pa rin guys. Kasi benta ko na lang guys yung iba dito kasi I'm not a gay. Yung iba sa akin na. Because wala na kaming pera guys and I don't have any money to buy. Basta marami pa siya. 55 pieces ata to. 55 pieces. Ang rami niya guys parang wala pa tong bawas and wala lang siyang scratch. Wait guys, let me see. For my official photo card. This one. Wait. Oo nga guys, parang may official photo card. Pa-check na lang guys kung official to ha. Parang official kasi siya. Ito. Yan. Parang official siya no guys. Yan. Parang official. So, itabi muna natin guys. Ano ko na lang siya guys. Patignan ko na lang sa plan ko kasi meron siya mga official na photo card. Marami siya. Wait a minute. Yan. So guys, ito na siya. Next is this glitter. Yan. Marami siya guys. Para we have blue, green, red. Wait lang. Red, yellow, and orange. Pink, purple, white. Yan. We have a saddle water. Walo lang siya guys. Super cute niya guys ha. Super cute. Di mo natin siya testing kasi gagamitin ko siya mamaya. Ano na lang kayo guys. Wait, papakita ko na lang sa inyo. So, this is the first box. Yan. Next box. Oh! He gave me a calcube. Guys, binigyan niya pa ako ng calcube. Yan ito. Hello guys, yung cute guys. Parang malaki pa siya sa mukha ko. And tignan natin kung may price. Hello guys, damage na siya. Pero okay lang. 184 guys, ang mahal. Mayroon niyo pa ito sa akin. Thank you. Parang sa Shemery ata ito. Sa Shemery guys. Kasi andan nakalagay. Andan. Yan, ito. 184 and Shemery guys. Yan na binili. And I'm super thankful. And what's up now? Unboxing time. Super cute nga sa personal. If andito kayo. Wag lang pasinin yung face ko. Kasi medyo nyo lang nakakita. And last, just 11 ako natulog kagabi. So, kailangan mo na put na yung glasses. These glasses, guys. So, if iban sa akin, alisin na lang natin. Pero pag, ayaw ko kasi guys mag-glasses. So, let's see if it have a battery. May battery na pala siya guys. So, thank you Laila. You're so rich and I'm so thankful. And thank you again, Layla. And I am so thankful because you're my fan. And wala pa ako guys dito naka-receive ng unboxing guys kasi di pa ako guys sikat dati is I am 1 followers and 8 na followers guys. Pag mag-abot pala ito ng 9, please guys kasi may secret ako. And may upload ako pag mag 9 followers na tayo is mag house tour tayo. So, next is this one. Yan. The alcohol markers. Yung guys, may lang. Listen mo natin. May gunting pa lang pala tayo dito. Kasi hindi na ako guys bumibili ng cutter kasi minsan na-paper cut na ako guys ng cutter. Kasi di ako sanay ng cutter so gunting na lang. Ang dami naman dyan ang magsasabi ng mga basher. Ano lang kasi ako score. Guys, noon naman natura ko and wala ko pakialam. Yan. We have blue, pink ata, pink and gray, browns and gray and green, olive green, pastel pink and green again, pale pink, green and marigold and pastel yellow. And ito yung mga shades na is we have a marigold, this is 24, and blue, baby blue, 66. Yeah. So thank you. First box is this one. First na open it is the alcohol markers and the calculator. Thank you. Dito muna natin siya. Next is thank you for giving me this one. I really like this. Again, highlighter guys. Guys, ito yung nakikita ko sa Mr. D.A. Pag nisinal mo siya guys, parang ano to flavor strawberry ito. Para siya guys, parang milk tea na strawberry. Yan. And this one too. And this is mango. Guys, para yung niya, yung smell niya parang strawberry strawberry. And ito naman is wait lang. Parang plain lang siya guys na smell. Pero ito guys, parang smell strawberry. Yan. And we got a 5 na highlighter. Sadly. 5 na highlighter. We got green, peach, and yellow, pink, and lastly, my favorite color, purple. Ito guys, peach. Peach ata to basta peach, green, yellow, pink, purple. My favorite color. And another box. Ito guys na yung pinasahin ko. Ito guys, mamaya na guys yung nakita ko kasi ang ganda niya guys. Bracelet and may nakalagay pa na name. Hindi ko na mabasahin kasi pinagawa ko to sa kanya and she know my mom and dad and she got me this bracelet, so cute. This one too, and this one wrote my name and my favorite of the bracelet, this one and this one too, because it's stretchable. No guys, it's not stretchable. I thought it's stretchable guys because I'm sorry Lyla. I'm sorry if I broke your bracelet. And I'm so sorry again. Because you didn't know it's flexible but it's beautiful. Beautiful guys. Oh. It's not stretchable. But I'm sorry, Laila. I'm sorry again. Pasensya na, Laila. So, ilagay muna natin dito sa kamay ko. Balik lang ako guys pag nilagyan ako na. Wait lang guys, di mo touch. Wait lang. Guys, I'm done cleaning my nails. The last box and this highlighter and bracelet. Last box is lagyan mo natin siya. My favorite sticker. Guys, may nakalagay pa dito na price. Nasa na ba yun? Nakikita pala ko. Ay, wala pala guys. Sorry. Brace pa to guys. Ayun. Ayun guys. So yun guys. Nakapesa ko ng mama. No, it's my melody. 100 pieces na siya guys. Party guys, pag bibenta ko to guys, take 5 pesos dalawa. 5 pesos dalawa guys. Wala, natanggol. Alisin na lang natin siya guys kasi maglalagay tayo ng lalagyanan. And pag makamasbati kami guys is bibili ako ng mga lalagyanan nito. Yan. Bibili ako ng lagyanan itong mga sticker guys kasi nagpamasbati kami and I forgot na may bibili pala ako ng sticker and wala ako nakabili ng lalagyan. Ang dami niya guys, 100 pieces. Bali tig ano ata to guys, 20 isang piraso ata. Hindi. Wait lang. Yan. Ang rami niya guys ha, dalawa lang yung nilagay ko ha. Dalawa lang. Parang dalawa lang na pieces. Yan. Marami niya na agad. Yan. Next is this. Bibiyon lang natin siya guys kasi ibebenta natin siya. May sasabihin ako sa inyo mamaya guys. Apat siya guys yung nilagay ko dito pero tignan nyo naman yung apat. Yan. Tignan nyo. Bali, yung isa ng pack na to, parang ganito, is 50 and dito naman, yung isa naman is 50 and bali 100. Tapos dito naman 50, kasi ito 50, bali 200. Bali 200 pieces ata to guys. And it's done. And ilalagay muna natin dito yung ibebenta natin. Nakin pala. This, Beanie, Lomo card. And i-ano muna natin siya guys. Hello! Ganun muna natin siya. Ito. Yan. Yan. Ito guys yung plastic. Parang yung mga friend ko. Kasi ibebenta ko to sa mga friend ko guys. And sa mayaman ay sa mahilig sa sticker kasi favorite niya to. And ibebenta natin to sa kanya. So wait lang guys. Tapos ka na? Tapos ka na? So, this is my friend, guys. Kadanay. Kuha man ako scotch tape. Kabilang. Ito itong clear. Yeah. Clear na scotch tape. So, this is my friend. Her name is Renras. Tanggala isa. Ito guys. Ito Ito na siya, guys. Yan. Tapos, ibaligyan ko yun. So, pagkita na, hindi. Pagkita na, hindi. Pagkita na. So, this is my friend. Her name is Reynolds. Wait lang, guys. Yan. Ito na, guys, yung sticker. Yan, ito guys, ilalagay ko dito ulit yung ating ibebenta. And this one's minatira pa. And ibebenta na natin itong highlighter nito. Bali tatlo lang yung ibebenta natin na highlighter. Forever's now in the and ito naman guys yung ibebenta natin. And then na tayo dito guys. So gusto mo. And guys, I'm done. And thank you for watching my vlog. Bye bye. And I forgot, I have to say, this is a fake package because I packed this. And sorry for I lied to you. And that's all guys. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel para makahouse na tayo pag 9 subscribers. So, bye-bye.